Grapefruit Pink has a sweet, tangy, citrusy scent that is very bright and uplifting. This is my go-to oil when my mood needs a boost. Grapefruit Pink is good for bringing about a brighter mood so I can feel hopeful and inspired throughout the day. If you've ever wondered how to boost your mood naturally, Grapefruit Pink might be right for you. This essential oil is for stimulating the mind, promoting mental clarity, as well as relieving tension and worry. Some of the other best uses and benefits of Grapefruit Pink include it reduces digestive upset and it helps with oily prone skin. My top 3 ways to use Grapefruit Pink are in an inhaler for an afternoon pick-me-up. I just add a few drops to my personal inhaler and use it about the time when my mind and body start to hit the afternoon wall. Grapefruit Pink helps refresh my mood and my mind. The second way I like to use Grapefruit Pink is in a diffuser. Not only does it make the room smell lovely, but it will also help boost my family's immune system. Grapefruit Pink is KidSafe. And my third best way to use Grapefruit Pink is in a facial toner. This really keeps my skin healthy and clear. Here's how to use Grapefruit Pink in an easy DIY toner recipe. You'll need a 2-ounce PET bottle, 1 ounce witch hazel, 1 tablespoon of grapeseed carrier oil, 5 drops of Grapefruit Pink essential oil, and 2 drops of bergamot essential oil. And then we're going to add 20 drops of polysorbate or a soluble, which will act as an emulsifier. And then we're going to pour all the ingredients into our PET bottle. And give it a nice shake to mix everything together. To use, you just want to add a small amount to a cotton ball and then gently wipe the face and neck. A simple yet effective way to help with congested skin. Grapefruit Pink is definitely one of my favorite essential oils, and once you start using it, you will see why.